In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link on Telegram. By the end, you'll be able to take any web address you find and send it quickly and clearly using Telegram Desktop or Telegram Web. First, copy the link you want to share. If it's in your web browser's address bar, click once to highlight the full URL, then copy it using Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on Mac. If the link is inside a page or app, select it with your mouse, right-click and choose Copy, or use the same keyboard shortcut. Take a quick moment to make sure you captured the entire link, especially if it wraps onto a new line. A complete copy now prevents a broken link later. Next, open Telegram Desktop on your computer or open Telegram Web in your browser. Both work the same way for this task. As long as you're signed in, you'll see your list of conversations on the left and the message area on the right. Pick whichever version you prefer. The steps are identical from here. Now open the chat or group where you'd like to share the link. Click the conversation in your chat list. This could be a one-on-one chat with a friend, a group where your team collaborates, or any other conversation where the link is relevant. Choosing the right place helps your link reach the people who need it. Click the message field at the bottom of the chat window. You should see a blinking cursor appear. This is where your message will go. If you want to add a brief note for context, you can type it right here before or after the link so recipients know why you're sharing it. Paste the link into the message field using Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on Mac, or right-click and choose Paste. Look over the pasted text to confirm it matches what you copied. If something looks off, simply delete it and paste again. Finally, press Enter to send. Your link will appear in the chat immediately. Telegram often recognizes standard web addresses and may display a clickable preview after it's sent, which can make your message clearer and more inviting to open. If no preview shows, don't worry. The link is still active and clickable. That's the entire process. Copy the link, open Telegram Desktop or Web, open the conversation, click the message field, paste, and press Enter. With these simple steps, you can share articles, videos, documents stored online, or any web page in just a few seconds. Practice it once or twice, and it'll become second nature whenever you find something worth sharing.